Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at 10 words that you may be pronouncing incorrectly. These are tricky words in the English language with silent letters, with letters that don't look like they're there, and I am going to pronounce them for you and give you a quick definition so that you can pronounce them correctly and know what people are talking about. These are some of my favourite ones, so they're not in alphabetical order this time, but subsequent videos will be. Okay, so watch out for those subsequent videos. Dessert. Dessert. This is the sweet part of the meal, at the end of the meal, most of the time. Money. Money. This has a U instead of an O in the pronunciation. Just watch out. Young. Young. It's a silent O in this one, not young. Okay? Ambulance. Ambulance. This is a classic word in English where you don't need to pronounce every single letter, so be careful. Hopefully, you never have to travel in an ambulance. Surfing. Surfing. I love to go surfing. Ketchup. Ketchup. Some people put too much ketchup on their chips. Laundry. Laundry. I have to do lots of laundry every week. Ache. Ache. This is a pain that you feel, often a low level pain. I have an ache in my muscles after going to the gym. Autumn. Autumn. This sounds almost the opposite to the way that it looks. It's got far too many letters in it. It's much more simple than it looks, so good luck. And finally, yogurt. Yogurt. Again, this word has too many letters. That silent H is in there. It's not Yoghurt, it's yogurt. Yogurt. Okay, that's it for the 10 difficult words. Watch out for other videos where I'll be introducing you to other difficult words. Looking forward to seeing you then. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, or share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.